This is the pot that I'm going to be using. I picked it up from a local store like Walmart. You can find these pretty much anywhere. I have my gloves, and these are really thick. This is the Adore color that I'm going to be using, number 112. So I have my hot water, and I did about 2 servings of this from that container, and I put some of the Adore in it, and I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm just going to dip the hair in there. You can order this hair from my website, or you can go straight to my Mayvenn website on the screen. And this hair is our 613 hair, and it has dark roots, which is what I wanted. I wanted it to go from the black roots into like a royal blue color. So this is what happened as soon as I dipped it in the water. And as you can see, the color is beautiful. So I just went in and opened it up a little bit and kept redipping it just to make sure that all of the hair got the dye on it. I've seen a lot of tutorials where people use just hot water from the sink, but I prefer hot boiling water. For me, it works faster. The color is vibrant, so I will definitely be using boiled water. So now that the frontal is done, I added some more color in the water, and this is the same water. And I'm just going to dip this bundle in there, and I did open the bundle up. After mixing it around a bit, I'm going to pull it out, and as you can see, we have a lot of light areas, so that lets me know that I need to add more of the blue color so that it can be more rich like the frontal. So as you can see, we have that light blue, which is pretty, but it's not what I wanted, so I added some more color. And you can always make separate tubs with the same amount of water, the same amount of color, to make sure that everything is precise and consistent. But I wanted to see if this way would work, and it did. I used the same container for my frontal in 2 bundles. All I did was, if the hair came out a little lighter, I would just add in some more color, and as you see, I got the color that I wanted. So if the hair is a little light, add some more color and redip it. For my last bundle, I added a little bit more water and some more color, of course. And in between each process, I kind of went back in to check the frontal and the bundle to add them back in to see if, any more of the color would pick up. I am going to be making a unit out of this hair, so make sure that you stay tuned for that video. After the hair completely dried and I made the unit close to the roots, it's still a little area where it's a little bit more green instead of the blue, and that's just from the yellow of the hair mixing with the blue, getting that green. So after I finish making the wig, I'm going to turn it inside out and re-dip it again, just to make sure that it's not any green and it's more so blue. One thing I can say about this method, it's really easy. As you can see, this is my last bundle. It came out a little light, so that just let me know I needed to add some more blue and re-dip it. And for this process, I didn't even finish the whole bottle of Adora dye. So it really saved me on dye. I bought 3 of them because I was going to use a bottle per item, you know, one for the frontal, one for each bundle. But using this method, I can use that dye on something else. So I definitely recommend this. For my next hair coloring video, I'm going to do this in a ombre. I'm going to do dark roots into purple and into pink. So make sure that you guys subscribe so you won't miss that tutorial. After I dipped everything, I just rinsed it out with cold water. It was a little soap in the bowl, so I didn't worry about shampooing the hair. And this is what it looked like. Beautiful variation of blues. It just turned out amazing. And make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you all want to see from me, and I'll try to make sure that I get that out for you all. And I will see you all in the next video.